In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to download music on Amazon Music. If you want your favorite tracks ready for a flight, a commute, or just to save data, I'll walk you through the essentials so you can download confidently and listen offline without any surprises. Before we begin, make sure your account is eligible for downloads. Amazon Music requires either a Prime membership or an unlimited subscription to save music for offline listening. The free plan doesn't allow downloads at all. There's also an important difference between the two paid options. Prime members can usually download selected playlists that Amazon provides, while Unlimited offers much wider access, including most songs and albums. As long as you're signed in with an active Prime or Unlimited plan, you're ready to go. On a computer, downloads work only in the Amazon Music desktop app, not in a web browser. If you're currently using the web player, switch over to the Amazon Music app for PC or Mac. Once the app is open, head to your music. You can browse your library if you've already added artists, albums, or playlists, or use the search bar to find something new. When you land on a song, album, or playlist you want, look for the download button next to it and click. For single tracks, the download begins immediately. For albums or playlists, the app saves every included track. You'll usually see a small progress indicator as each file is added, so give it a moment to finish, especially if you're grabbing a large album. After your music has downloaded, it's easy to find. Go to your library and open the Downloads section. Everything you've saved for offline listening appears there in one place. If you want to make sure you only see downloaded content, open Settings in the app and turn on offline mode. This filters the app to show just the music stored on your device and prevents accidental streaming when you're trying to conserve data. A few important notes before you head out. Downloaded songs play only inside the Amazon Music app. They're protected and can't be transferred as regular MP3 files or copied to other players. If your subscription ends or changes, some or all of your downloads may become unavailable. And remember, Prime users are limited to selected playlists for downloading, while Unlimited opens up far more of the catalog. That's it. Use the desktop app, choose your music, click Download, and then enjoy everything from the Download section, or turn on offline mode for a focused, connection-free experience.